scammers are getting really creative these days.
This happened to me yesterday with a creator that I met at an event, si Jan. Ayan, this was the message that was sent to me. Okay, first of all, if you type my name, Aaron, and then try to call me, I hate that. I hate calls. Hate calls, especially spontaneous calls. I have things to do. Call, no, you text. But yun pa lang, we don't know each other that well for this person to be calling me. May paano pa, may number ka ni Jolo? No. Tapos biglang, can I ask a favor? Now, I wanted to get creative because they started giving me the spiel of, oh, I'm going to Japan, tas na credit limit ako, which I already saw on Inca stories. Nakipagkwentuhan na kami about it. So I knew that it was a scam because of what happened to Inca. And I wanted to get creative. I feel so bad that this scammer deleted my messages. I felt like it was so funny what I said. Anyway, what I said was, you know, this also happened to my friend. And you know what she did? She prayed. The moment I said that, he blocked me and deleted all my messages and his messages. Ito na lang yung natira. After the block, I would have gone on and on if they didn't delete all the messages without a trace. That's Telegram. So be wary, guys. I mean, I also don't really have friends that ask me for money. Hindi ganyan ang galawan ng friends ko. So I guess I'm lucky in that way, but y'all be careful.